Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, I want to say a special hello. Welcome aboard. I am Nisha and I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. We are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I did pick up a few products from the Colourpop Lizzie Mcguire collection, and you guys, I have to say, this stuff is popping. This collection is absolutely beautiful. I am definitely getting my girly vibes from this collection. So I did pick up the palette, which comes with 12 beautiful eyeshadow colors. So you're getting a little bit of matte, you got some shimmers, and I think it's like one pressed glitter in here, and definitely some metallic eyeshadows in here, and the payoff, y'all, beautiful. And I also picked up some lip glosses, which I found out is a lip plumper, so I'm really here for this. Y'all know I love me some lip plumpers because I do some beautiful justice to my natural lips, so I'm here for the glosses, okay? And I also picked up one of the glitter gels or whatever this thing is called, and I know Colourpop has other like formulas using this, but this is my first time using it myself, and I'm in love with this, you guys. I'm in love with this. I'm in love with the Coco. She got it for the Lolo. Ooh, hey Coco. Hey Coco. But anywho, if you guys want to see how to get this beautiful colorful look, then of course keep on watching. Okay, so I already prepped and primed my eyes. On my eyes I do have on Juvia Eye Prep Eye Prime and the shade number 1, which is like the white base type of color. So now what I'm going to do, I do this every time. I'm going to go in with a nude color just to pop underneath my brow bone, just to add some highlight and to also set this. I really like to do this because it gives like my underneath my eyebrows like a nice highlight, and plus it makes whatever crease color I do decide to go in with, it makes the blending a lot better when I go into my crease. So we're gonna go in with this beautiful Lizzie McGuire Dream palette. So pretty. Show you guys what the color looks like. Oh my gosh. Going to be giving you guys nice soft like summer spring vibes with this palette. So to be honest, when I look at this palette, there's not a lot of like dark matte colors I can definitely put in my crease. There's only about a good roughly, well, let's see, 1 2 3 4 matte shades in here, and then the next is just other, you know, formulas in here. There's like I think 1 or 2 pressed glitters, shimmer, metallic, but there's only 4 of these eyeshadows is only matte. So this green, purple, and these 2 shades right here, and none of them are actually going to be deep enough besides this purple, so it only makes sense for me to start with this purple. So I'm going to pop that color. I'm going to bring this in my crease. Whoa, I didn't think it was going to be this deep though. Woo, okay, this is deep. So I'm just going to make it a little bit more vibrant towards the outer part of the crease. So I did go in with this brush first, and then I went in with my Morphe brush just to blend out the edges so that it looks like it's fading away. So I definitely want it to be more intense towards the outer. And this is a nice purple shade. So I'm definitely going to cut my crease really quick off camera. Okay, so now that I have my crease cut, let's go in with, trying to figure out, do I want to go matte or do I want to go shimmer? I definitely feel like shimmer is going to be popping. So what do we want to do? What do you want to do? I'm going to go in with, let's do this matte green right here. Nice and pigmented on the brush. Let's see what she gives me on here. I feel like it's definitely a pretty color, but I really feel like you gotta dig in this color just to get the payoff, because it does come off a little patchy. You know what, it might be the brush. So let me switch out my brush really quick just to make sure that's not what it is. Using a different brush, let's see if that makes a difference. Definitely made a difference. I still feel like you do have to pick up a lot of the product just to get it on the eye, but definitely it is a nice vibrant green color. Alright, so I'm definitely wanting to switch it up just a little bit. I think I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is this nice pretty pink color. And the reason I'm going for all the dark colors because I just know for sure that they're going to show up on me, because I feel like these lighter shades are not going to pop. Ooh, this pink though. I know it's nice and shimmery in the palette, but you can see the glitter specks on the eyes too. Wow. I don't know what they mixed in this eyeshadow, but it is really pretty. Like the glitters, I know this camera's not capturing, but the glitters, they just sparkle. They're so pretty. So I'm definitely gonna blend, go back and forth with the two colors together just to blend it out, but this is really pretty. Taking a little bit of the purple, you already know this method of mine. Just gonna close out the crease part. So just because I didn't bring it all the way down to my inner tear duct, I definitely want to take a little bit of that shimmery green color and I'm just gonna pop it right in my inner. Definitely made a difference. Ooh, I like this palette. I like this palette, you guys. This is awesome. All right, so I'm deciding I want to add a little bit of glitter. So I'm just taking this beautiful glitter liner and I'm just gonna go right above the cut crease, outline the cut crease with this. So I already prepped and primed my face. I did go in with my Touch and Soul primer. Well, it's more like a moisturizer. And as for my primer, I did go in with my Milk Hydro Grip primer. And now for my foundation, I'm going in with these two drugstore friendly foundation. This is the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Putty blush now that I have my face on. It is so awkward to get anything out of here because of how this product is like made. So how else do you get this? What is this? This is a fiber powder brush. It works perfectly for this type of formula of blush because I can never make this color look this buildable on me, even when I use my fingers. So this is definitely a good, nice brush to use if you guys ever use these putty blushes. You need something that's like really like firm like this, just to go into this little thingy bijinger. Okay, like I said, just a nice soft blush tone is what I want to go for. I want to go back in with my eyes. I'm going to add a little bit of black pencil liner on my waterline. I'm definitely just going to go in with that purple eyeshadow color and pop it on my lower lash line. Alright, and that same color that I have in my inner already, I'm just going to pop it more in my inner and then bring it down to my lower lash line, which is that beautiful shimmery green. It's definitely giving me like gold vibes now that I have it more on on my inner. It's definitely like a gold eyeshadow more than a lime green, which is pretty interesting because it's full on lime shimmery green in the palette. But yes, this is a gold. This is a nice, pretty gold color. All right, so for my lips, I'm gonna go in with a brown lip liner pencil, and this is by Colourpop. I'm gonna line my lips with it. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with an old school Colourpop lip product. This one is called Strut. It's a nice, beautiful nude color. Oh, this lip color is so pretty by itself. I usually don't do a matte lip. You already know that. And today, I just want to do opposite today. But I definitely want to try out the Lizzie McGuire little lip duos. This lip is looking really nice though. This one came with two different lip duo. They're basically like lip glosses, but they both have like glitter in it, just a little bit. So I'm gonna stick with the clear because I don't know if that pink actually has like a pink undertone to it. So we're gonna do, let me do a little swatch. Let me see if this is really a glitter. Okay, yes, so it's gonna be some glitters on my lips for sure. I'm gonna do my finger first just to pat it out. I think I'm smelling like a bubblicious bubble gum to it. It smells really good. So I don't want it glossy, but I wanted to be able to tell that I do have something on my lips. Oh wait, am I feeling some tingleness? Am I? It's a plumping gloss. Okay, so we're gonna put this on all over then. I love when it make my lips look a little plump. Okay, I really didn't even know that. Okay, It's funny when a product does what it's supposed to do without you knowing what it is. Because I definitely felt it right away when I put it on my lips. And it feels really good. It's like a mintiness undertone to it. Smells like bubble gum, but I can feel it like just making my lips look more plumpalicious. So I'm gonna add a little bit more lip liner because I really want that to be like noticeable. Oh, okay, I'm really feeling this whole entire, okay, shebang bang. All right, so off camera, I'm gonna pop on my Beauty Creation lashes. These are called Attention Seeker. So I'm definitely gonna pop these on off camera, and then I'll be back to just show you guys what it looks like with the lashes on. Like, boom. All right, so this is what we are rocking with right now. Definitely loving how this is such a bold eye, but overall it's still a nice, beautiful, I was about to say soft, but I don't think it's considered soft, but y'all get what I'm saying. Like the rest of the face is pulling off softness, but the eyes are very bold and a very staple look. Is that a word? Staple look? Anyway, almost forgot, I definitely want to try out this Colourpop glitter glue. Is this what it's called? Yes. What is these called? I don't know. I don't have the original packaging of these anymore. It's like a little, you know, body. You can use this for body glitter or you can use it for whatever. Y'all know me. I'm about to pop this in my inner tear duct as soon as I can get this thing open. And the packaging of this whole entire collection is gorgeous, but this is what the product looks like. Really, really pretty. You can see that this does not come out because it's creamy. It's like a gel effect to it. It's really, really pretty. So I wanted to show you, look, when you move it around, it pretty much goes in one spot to another spot. So it's kind of hard to get this product on to like a brush, but once you do get it on a brush, I would say try your best to grab a little at a time. But I'm definitely going to pop this right in my inner. Oh, that is gorgeous. Can y'all see the difference? Oh, that glitter definitely made this look pop even more. So I'm gonna set my face with the Cocoa Gold Mist. Yes, y'all heard that correctly. It's a setting spray, but it has a little bit of like gold glitter specks in it. It's so pretty, and you do see the glitter on your face, so if you don't like glitter, you're not gonna like this. But it just sprinkles just a little bit of glitter. It's not like overpowering, but you can definitely, you know, see what's going on. So I'm gonna definitely gonna spray. Oh my god, spray a little bit so you can see the glitters. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. All right, so this is the complete and final look. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely am here for this whole shebang bang of Lizzie McGuire collection. Okay, Colourpop has actually did something with this collection. I'm really impressed. I haven't been impressed with Colourpop products in a while, I felt like it, but definitely this is definitely something I am happy that I purchased. Okay, so color payoff, the color eyeshadows, the color story is definitely beautiful. Although I only use like the deeper shades of these eyeshadows, I definitely want to come back and use more of the lighter shade, and definitely want to try this little pressed glitter that's in here as well. So I'm gonna come back and do like a lighter version of this palette, but I feel like the color story is still gonna be semi-similar because it's just purple, pink, orange, and green. That's just how they did it, but it's like different shade for each row. But again, I still love the whole concept of this palette. The lip glosses, the lip plumpers, yes. Although I only tried one, these are definitely going to be used a lot more in my makeup tutorials because they're lip plumpers and they're glossy and it's a plumper. And you already know that I'm loving this glitter. Look at this. Y'all know I like glitter, so it's everything. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. And of course, I'll be back with another makeup look or some type of video. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up. And I'll see you guys all in another video. Bye, guys.